In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Microsoft Whiteboard. If your whiteboard space is getting cluttered or you're finished with a project, removing an old board is a quick way to tidy things up. The process is the same, whether you're using the Windows app, the web version in your browser, or Whiteboard inside Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Whiteboard on your preferred platform. When it launches, make sure you're looking at the home screen, sometimes called the board picker. This is the gallery-style view where all of your saved whiteboards appear as thumbnails. If your app opens straight into a board, just navigate back to the home screen using the Home or Boards button so you can see the full list. Next, take a moment to locate the board you want to remove. Each board is represented by a thumbnail with its title underneath, which helps you identify the right one. If you're not completely sure it's the correct board, you can briefly open it to verify the content and then return to the home screen. It's worth confirming now because deletion is permanent. Once you've found the correct board, move your mouse over its thumbnail or tap on Mobile to reveal the More Options menu. This is the three-dot icon, usually in the corner of the board's thumbnail. Click or tap those three dots to open the menu of actions for that specific board. From the options that appear, choose Delete. Whiteboard will immediately prompt you to confirm, since this action permanently removes the board and everything on it. Read the confirmation message carefully. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm to delete. After you confirm, the board disappears from your list and is removed from your account. A quick but important note here. Once deleted, a board and its data can't be recovered. If there's any chance you'll need the content later, consider exporting a copy before you delete. Exporting creates a separate file you can keep for reference, while still letting you clean up your whiteboard list. That's all there is to it. Open Whiteboard, go to the board picker, find the board, open the three-dot menu on its thumbnail, select Delete, and confirm. It's a simple routine you can repeat anytime you want to keep your workspace organized and focused on the boards that matter most. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along on your own device to clean up a few boards right now.